Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the sixth largest city of the Netherlands. It's in the northern part of the country and it is called Groningen. Groningen. This is the way us Dutchies say Groningen. Groningen. There is a very light emphasis on the first part of the word. Groningen. Gro-ningen. As you can hear, not every letter is pronounced, and especially not the last letter. And yes, there is that famous Dutch g at the beginning. Just keep trying. The Dutch really appreciate hearing that g. Just imagine something is stuck in your throat. The second G of Groningen is part of the ing, so that is not a harsh g. Groningen. I am going to visit Groningen. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check it out. Tot ziens!